Please, almighty AI Lord, write me a product launch speech. I'll do anything for you.
Morty, are you seriously simping for an AI? Look at your creativity neurons. They're turning into goddamn binary code.
Oh, jeez. But everyone says AI is the future. I have to learn to harness it.
Take a good look at yourself.
I need my brain back.
Don't worry, Morty. I've got just the tech to fix your pathetic little problem. Creaibo edition. Elden Ring collab. Don't ask. It's probably illegal. Catch it, Morty.
Oh, great. He can write for me now. Thanks, Rick.
Not really, Morty. He's here to supervise you.
I want to learn.
Hi, I'm Redin, the founder of Creaibo AI. The video you just saw is inspiration and script what came from our product. For the past 6 years, I've been dedicated to creating original content and got millions of followers. But honestly, I've never really found an AI tool that truly got me. I'm tired of spending tons of time writing the prompt over and over again, just to get generic cookie-cutter answers. So everything felt impersonal and uninspired. Seems I became an outsider from my own creation. But hey, creative should come from us, right? Not from machine. That's why I'm here and so excited to introduce our new product, a fully personalized, prompt-free, and ready-to-use AI tool, Creaibo. So, how do we do it? Very simple. We change the relationship between AI and creators. Our belief is about creating with a better you. Here, let me show you how it works through some cases. When you sign up, you get your Creaibo. It is not another one-time use AI, but a proactive lifetime partner that grows with you. First, Creaibo learns from you, your social posts, your writing, your style. It gets you, and everything you create here, Creaibo remembers. Over time, it becomes a personalized extension of you, with memory and your unique flavor. It's more like a creative partner, not a replacement. We call it Learn You, Being You, Better You. Instead of giving you boring, predictable ideas, Creaibo helps spark inspiration visually, right on your idea canvas. And by the way, you can use our browser extension to collect inspiration from anywhere online. When you are stuck for ideas, you can also use idea box or popular inspirations. Creaibo will generate tailored topics for you. Now, pick one of those ideas and then edit, expand, or analyze it. Just be clear, this isn't about copying viral content. It's more like having a personal assistant. Creaibo looks at what's out there, learn what works and what doesn't, to help you build a unique outline that best suits you. You can even compare outputs from different models, GPT-5, Gemini, Claude, etc., and pick what fits best. You can jump into Canvas, move ideas around, talk to Creaibo, or just skip straight to writing if you are ready. Now, let's talk about the multimodal editor. This is where everything comes together. When you turn on completion, Creaibo jumps in right when you need it, guessing what you might want to write next, based on your writing styles, tones, and even punctuation. Every single sentence is ready to use, instead of repeatedly modifying the generated results by using endless prompt. You can just hit tab to accept, or input few words to adjust it. The more you use it, the smarter and more personalized it gets. We also added knowledge base to help avoid the issue of hallucination. Creaibo will proactively recommend knowledge base for you, pull from trusted source or your own materials, and automatically sets references as you write. Like Cursor, we also support the add function. You can manually cite any knowledge file within the library to make the details more reliable. But writing is only part of the story. With Creaibo, you can select any text and use it to generate, well, almost everything, including find materials, generates images, sound effects, voiceovers,
A new message pops up on the screen.
and even videos.
isn't companionship, it's automated emotional exploitation.
You can handle them without leaving the editor, all in one. If you want to initiate a search, don't worry, just ask Creaibo any question at any time. Choose online or reasoning modes in the configurations, or even just talk to Creaibo. Try saying something like this. Now, you got a full piece of content, every word and line following your personal style. No endless tweaking, no wasting hours on prompts. It's actually faster than chatting with AI. Your beta test. We already support YouTubers, TikTokers, novel authors, and marketers. As long as you work related to creation, you will get a unique experience at Creaibo. We believe the future of creative tools isn't about replacing human, but it's about amplifying us. So, if you want to create faster, but don't want some AI taking over your creativity, if you are tired of writing prompts all day and still getting forgettable generic replies, if you still believe in originality, cannot accept paraphrasing, plagiarism, and copying, then welcome, we are building this for you. Join us and grow with your Creaibo.